There comes a moment when silence after failure feels heavier than any applause.
When the world stops cheering, and you only hear your own breath in the dark.
That is where real winners are born, in quiet wreckage after trying and falling.
Most people fear that silence, but the great ones, they learn to live in it. He once had a perfect plan, clean, unstoppable, a vision that could not fail, until reality hit harder than expect, and the dream shattered into pieces overnight.
The investors walked away, the praise vanished, and the screen glowed with rejection.
His hands trembled, but something inside whispered quietly, "Good, now we begin." Because focus starts in the ruins of comfort, not in the warmth of applause. The next morning, he stared at his reflection, tired eyes, older from the fight. Not from age, but from trying, failing, and getting back up endlessly. Most people quit before they reach that exhaustion, but he refused to stop there. He vanished from noise, no parties, no posts, only the sound of his grind. Friends called it obsession. He called it alignment with purpose. While others chased quick wins, he rebuilt brick by brick in silence. He understood what they didn't. Attention is currency, but focus is wealth. He failed again, then again, each time louder, each time closer to breakthrough. Failure wasn't the end. It was repetition disguised as progress. You don't escape failure. You evolve through it, one scar at a time. And every scar became a signature of growth he once tried to hide. One night, he almost quit, his hands shaking over a half-finished plan.
The pain was endless, the grind unbearable, the silence deafening.
Then came the realization, success isn't opposite of failure, it is born from it.
You win the moment you stop fearing the fall that builds you.
He shifted the question from why me to what is this teaching me?
Every failure sharpened him, trimmed excuses, and carved focus from chaos. He no longer feared starting again. He feared standing still. The small wins began to stack quietly until he realized he was unrecognizable. His failures weren't until downfall. They were the architecture of his power. The world didn't hand him clarity. It forced him to build it.
Each failure cleared his vision like rain cleaning glass.
Failure became his training ground, and focus his weapon. He failed louder than most people dream, and that's why he became unstoppable.
Focus isn't a gift, it's forged where comfort ends and discipline begins.
He failed, studied, rebuilt, and kept moving until failure feared him. He realized focus wasn't about perfection, it was about progress that never stopped. In a world of noise, his silence spoke louder than applause. He learned that focus isn't loud, it's quiet, consistent, and dangerous to distractions. Because winners don't chase attention, they chase alignment with purpose. He wasn't born extraordinary, he just refused to quit when it hurt most. The grind never asked for his permission. It demanded his loyalty. Focus is born in silence, when the noise outside no longer controls you. He stopped waiting for motivation. He built it out of repetition. Each breath became a reminder that growth hides in discomfort. He didn't chase focus anymore. He became it.
Success came not from luck, but from obsession with doing ordinary things perfectly.
The path didn't get easier. He just stopped expecting it to be.
His hands built habits that success later called destiny.
In the end, the noise faded, but his discipline echoed forever.
The ones who fail the most often live the freest.
Because freedom only belongs to those who dared to break something first.
Every failure was a rehearsal for the focus he carries now.
Winners fail louder than most people dream, because they've learned the cost of silence.